Hey guys, so in this video, everyone's very excited and I'm happy that you liked my first video. Like I said, the wedding video is gonna come out very soon. Once I get it, usually it takes like 3 months, so I think now I've got only 1 month to wait. So we had a 3-day wedding, so this is day 2 and 3. On day 2 we had a James Bond night, so you'll see everybody's dressed up in long dresses, suits, champagne party. And then on the day 3 we had a Latvian sauna experience. We went to Banya. We had all the traditional food, pancakes, potato pancakes for breakfast, oh my god, all the deliciousness. And then we had borscht and ribs for lunch. And we really like sort of wanted to take day 3 as winding down, relaxing. Loads of people drank. We didn't drink that much. I think we drank a little bit on our wedding, but yeah, everybody was hangover and partying so hard, so this was like a perfect ending to the wedding. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget I'm launching my Dubai course in very soon. So sign up for the free webinar. I'll leave the link down below. And I want to teach you about everything about these viral Dubai dessert recipes. You don't want to miss it, and enjoy the video. Just arriving for our second day party. We have insane amount of people and stuff. Whoa, such a gorgeous day again for the second time. Oh, I love the bows. It's beautiful. 2 months just now living, Whoa, holy shit. Woo! Привет. Oh, yes. Oh my god. Да. Oh, I lied. Ciao, Mita.
Ciao.
Sveiki. Hello. Oh, I know this song. Come on, let's dance. Wowie. Wow. What is going on here? Wow.
We had like a little bit of like child ability, right? Yeah, exactly. I'm always like that. That is actually true. That's actually Cheers. So much content.
Can we do one more song?
One more song!
Yeah, when we leave here, we're all going to go to Paris. East. Disney and
My James Bond.
Oh, there we go. And short it. Just make sure you do it the right way. And when you do it, up, yeah, and up. And I'll do for you.
Oh, wow.
I've been wanting Snickers. No, you're supposed to stay.
Johnny's saving the cake for kids. We'll eat the hearts. Don't worry.
It's like from the thingy. Yeah. Oh, it's so beautiful. So beautiful! And now we have to disassemble it.
Wow.
Texas, Tennessee, Tennessee.
It's very nice.
О, так лучше.
Together, you pick this one. That's why it's done. I like this one and another one, and you were like, no, let's get this one. Huh? The kids, did they go inside already? Oh, it's so pretty. Look, we have the honey.
It's like stunning as well. It's like everything's for
My face on my own face.
No, with my face on your pad. What do you mean? My face all over there.
Sounds good.
I did.
Okay, let's do
Да, не на присутствие, можем сюда встать.
I have zero weight.
Everybody ready?
Are you ready to count down?
Yeah, we need a countdown.
5,
She's a warrior.
Oh my god, that was so fun. You can go Manya. Oh, Manya, yeah?
Captain of the Banya, welcome. Yeah.
Да. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. You can scroll on the screen.
It feels like pop, but actually it's so
No, like it doesn't burn. That's good. It's good. I do it.
Do the thing, and oh, it's coming. The rain is
Yeah, well, this is so extremely traditional to come here and do banyo on Sundays, and Dad kind of passed the knowledge to us, and then Ali and I would do this with our grandparents every single, like, well, not every single, but every time we come, we would take our granddad and granny and do this for them, and especially granddad, yeah, who passed. He doesn't drink much, but he always would have a shot after banyo. He would always ask for vodka. And so I would really love to drink in his honor today and also do a minute of silence in his honor. That's okay. So his name was Leonid Lastichkin, and I'm sure he's with us. Yeah, thank you so much. If you want to give also.
Ollie needs more corpse brothers. I'm just teasing you.
And he's single, by the way.
And
Well, we just checked him out already.
I hope you enjoyed this video. I know maybe some bits are just like, you know, cut through and not much speaking, because I usually film vlogs when I talk a lot, but these ones were very hard, and I just wanted to show you part of my celebration and bring you in, and hopefully you felt the atmosphere, and all my friends had the blast, and it was just so amazing to have everybody there. And it's really hard for me to speak, but obviously my granddad died actually on our wedding day, and nobody told us until the last day of my wedding, and then we had funeral the next day. So it was really, really sad actually, and very hard for me emotionally, because I've been spending every sort of 2 months in hospital with him, and I don't think I still fully have grieved this. I knew it was coming, so it's just I've been crying a lot before and during it, and of course after the process. But I just want to think that he was with me on my wedding day, on my post-wedding days, and that he was with me through the entire time. Anyways, take care of your loved ones and your grandparents. I love you guys.